Hello everyone, welcome back to shayanisland. Today I thought I'd take you through the typical morning in my life, from the moment I wake up to getting to the swing of work and studies. So let's jump right in. The day kicks off with the unmistakable sound of my alarm. A quick reach for my trusty watch and it's time to turn it off. But before anything else, I grab a refreshing glass of water to kickstart the day. Mornings are always a little challenging, but we're in this together, right? I love starting my day by pulling back the curtains and taking in the view from my window. There is something calming about that moment. Heading downstairs, I get the water boiling for my morning tea. A perfect blend is essential for me. As the tea brews, I multitask, taking the vacuum cleaner upstairs for a quick tidy and making my bed. Gotta keep things organized. Downstairs again. It's time for some household chores. Vacuuming the first floor, wiping tables, and tending to the plants. Simple tasks that make a big difference in keeping my space comfortable and inviting. But before I delve into work, there is one more essential step. I make sure my workspace is clean and ready to go. This includes cleaning my laptop and monitor screen with a gentle alcohol solution. It's a quick process, but it makes a huge difference in maintaining a clear and focused workspace. And speaking of cleaning laptops, here's a quick tip for you. When cleaning your laptop, use an isopropyl alcohol. Dampen a microfiber cloth with the solution and gently wipe down the surfaces. Be sure to power off your laptop before cleaning and avoid using excessive liquid. It's a small effort that goes a long way in keeping your tech in top-notch condition. And there you have it, a glimpse into my morning routine. I found out that starting the day with a blend of productivity, a good cup of tea, sets the right tone for whatever comes next. I love to hear about your morning rituals and any tips you have for maintaining a clean workspace in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll catch you in the next video.